How to trade currency online. There are many advantages over the various other ways of investing. First of all, it is a 24-hour market except for weekends, of course. You have the US market, then the European, and then the Asian. One of the great times to trade is during the overlapping periods. The USA and European overlap between 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. Eastern, and the European and Asian between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. Eastern. Usually the busiest time and best to trade. The is also the risk factor for the accounts. With futures and options you can get margin calls that can wipe you out. If you get caught in a bad trade, not only do you lose the money in the account, but you may have to come up with a lot more from your pocket. It can be very risky, but not in Forex. Worst case scenario, you could lose what's in your account. But you would have to do something really stupid, like making a big trade on a fundamental day and leave it alone. If market takes a bad move and you weren't there. Oh no, OPS. But that wouldn't happen with a smart trader. Then there are the demo accounts, which is an account where you can trade using all the right things: platform, charts, and information. But you are using play money, or what we call paper trading too.